All right, on number one, listen up. It tells you the original function, and then it tells you what your goal is. So where do you think the grading is going to come from? In between. Very good. So let's go ahead and do the first one. So if we're looking at implicit differentiation, we need to go ahead and derive this. To derive this, I think I'm going to rewrite on the side. We are taking the derivative of the following function. X squared minus 2x is equal to 8y. Let's see if we kind of remember this. It's been a while. What is the derivative of x squared? 2x. 2x. Since that is my x, I don't have to write d whatever over d whatever. My second one was the derivative of negative 2x. Negative 2. And what is the derivative of 8y? 8 times dy over dx. If that letter does not exist, you have to write that on there. So let's see if we're almost there. It says I want dy over dx all by itself. So what is the only thing I need to do on both sides? Divided by 8. So when I do, I'm going to write dy over dx on my left side. And are they all divisible since we have even numbers? Yeah. So what's my first value on the top? X minus 1 over 4. All right, the grading process, listen up. Listen. Knowing that you have to derive, it's going to be 1 point. And giving me right in between, that's going to be another point. And writing out the final one that's identical gives you no point, because we knew that was our goal. Are we good on that? Okay? And that's exactly how I'm going to grade it on your FRQ. So can everybody do this tomorrow? Not tomorrow, the next day? Yep. All right. Moving on. Let's go to part B. On part B, Aiden, go ahead and read that out loud, please.
Find the slope of the line tangent to the function at each point on the curve where y equals 1.
So let's start by writing the original equation so I don't have to move it up and down. The original equation is the following. And we need the slope of a tangent line. So we're looking at where y is equal to 1. So when y is equal to 1, I can go ahead and plug it into the original, which I get the following. X squared minus 2x is equal to 8. And then we can do what on both sides to solve for x? Subtract 8. Can I do an algebra 2 stuff right here, right? Since I have the leading coefficient is understood 1, we can do one go on factoring. What two numbers are going to satisfy the condition given? 4 and 2. Which one takes a negative?
4.
The 4. So we know the x values are the following. The first x value is 4. Second x value is negative 2. Are we okay with that? Okay. So now we know the following. We know our point is going to be at 4, 1, and 1 was already there to begin with. And my second point is going to be negative 2, 1. So what I need to do at this point is find the slope of the tangent line, and tangent line is our first derivative. So let's write out the first derivative. dy over dx is equal to x minus 1 over 4. So at this point, all I need to do is plug in the 4, plug in the 2. So the first one, I'm going to plug in the 4. We have 4 minus 1 over 4. Second one is going to be negative 2 minus 1 over 4. So what is my slope of my 4, 1? 3/4. And then how about the second one? Negative 3/4. Oh, that's right. M is equal to. And then the points that I'm going to lead to, because I know if you can get to the slope, I know you found the x's. To consider all of them, I have to go ahead and give you points at the two slopes. I wonder if WeVideo can allow me to pause. I don't see it.